As a great leader, it is very important to be able to motivate your team members. Hi, I'm Divyaa Advaani, an image consultant, etiquette, and a soft skills coach, and founder of the brand Suave U. I am also an author of the book called 101 Tips and Tricks to Enhance and Upgrade Yourself and Your Image, which is available on Amazon worldwide. I'll put the link in the description box below. Only paying a good salary to your employees is not enough, though it is important. But there are other ways to motivate your team members too. You could do so through awards and recognitions, also by giving them new roles and responsibilities in order to increase their involvement in the company. You could also ask them for their inputs in order to motivate them. For more such details, course enrollments, and for appointments, you can log on to my website www.divyaadvanistore.com. If you've liked the video, please click on the like button and also click on the share button and share it with as many people as you can. Also, if there is anything specific you'd like me to make a video over, feel free to put it in the comment section below. If you are a new viewer to my channel, welcome to my channel. Please click on the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to it to get notified each time that I upload a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here with me. Until I see you in the next video with a new topic, keep smiling, keep shining.